Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch videos only from your country on BuzzCast. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up BuzzCast on your mobile device. Tap on the zero icon at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see two options at the top of your screen. Tap on Videos. Go ahead and tap on the small arrow right beside the videos. You can now tap on Domestic to watch videos from your country. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.